welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where like it says cold, warm or hot. So if the temperature is greater than 28 it's hot, and if temperature is between 18 and 28 it's warm, and if else it's gonna be cold if it's less than both of them. So okay, let's create. So first of all we have to start by writing def, creating a function. So we write def check, and then we write temp. After temp we open up brackets, and in here we write temperature that we would like to put it inside of it. Yep, so now colon, and now we write an if function. If temp is greater than 28 colon, then return string, and write over here hot. And then we write else if it does not work, temp temperature is greater than equal 18 and temperature is less than equal to 28, then it's return warm. Then we have to write else colon, and write return cold. Yep, and then we have to create a place where we write it. So okay, so all we have to do is just write temp equals integer input, which enter temperature colon space and string in our two brackets, and then we have to just print and also we have to call our function check temp. Okay guys, so now let's run it. Enter temperature. For example 15, it's cold. For example 19, it's warm. For example 45, it's hot. So okay guys, this is all for this lecture. See you in the next video. Bye bye.